How to log out from your Twitter account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out from your Twitter account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to open up your Twitter. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're on your Twitter, all you need to do is swipe right and you'll be on this section right here. Now scroll down and there you should find an option called Settings and Privacy. Head over there, and after you're there, you will see your account. Tap on your account, and again, after you're on your account, you will see account information. Head over to account information, and right there you will see your account's information with a logout button on the bottom. Tap on logout and confirm it. After you do that, you are now logged out of your Twitter account, and that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.